Have you ever felt like your heart is burdened by guilt or your mind is cluttered with negative thoughts? What if I told you there's a simple yet powerful solution that could completely change your life in an instant? Imagine the weight lifting off your shoulders, the chaos in your mind calming, and a flood of peace filling your soul. That's the power of saying Astagfirullah. Stay tuned to unlock the secret of transformation. In Islamic culture, Astagfirullah is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful act of seeking forgiveness from Allah. It's a reminder of our imperfections, our mistakes, and our need for Allah's mercy. Every time we say Astagfirullah, we're turning back to Allah for His guidance, protection, and forgiveness. But it's not just about saying the words, it's about truly feeling them. It's about making it a daily practice to cleanse our hearts and souls. Life is full of challenges: guilt, stress, anxiety, and the weight of our mistakes. We all face them. We all feel them. But how often do we pause and seek forgiveness? How often do we allow ourselves to let go of that burden? Astagfirullah is the key to releasing those negative emotions. It's a simple, profound way to reset, refresh, and renew your spirit. When you say Astagfirullah, you're allowing yourself to forgive, to heal, and to start fresh. You're releasing the chains of guilt and regret, letting go of the stress and worry that hold you down. It's a powerful practice that clears your mind, cleanses your heart, and reconnects you with Allah. Imagine the peace that comes from forgiving yourself, forgiving others, and letting go of the past. That's the power of Astagfirullah. Think about this. How often do we find ourselves stuck in negative emotions? Guilt, shame, and regret. It feels heavy, doesn't it? It clouds our judgment and makes everything harder. But when you say Astagfirullah, you're not just asking for forgiveness, you're embracing Allah's mercy. You're choosing peace over guilt, clarity over confusion, and hope over despair. It's a reset button for your soul. Let me share a story with you. I know someone who was struggling deeply with addiction and guilt. They felt trapped, consumed by negative thoughts and emotions. But when they started saying Astagfirullah regularly, something began to shift. Slowly they started to feel lighter, more in control, and at peace with themselves. They forgave themselves, healed emotionally, and rebuilt their life. This simple phrase, repeated with sincerity, transformed their entire mindset and life. This is the transformative power of Astagfirullah. It's not just words, it's a pathway to emotional cleansing, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. When you consistently say Astagfirullah, you invite peace into your life, you let go of what's holding you back, and you make space for healing, hope, and connection with Allah. So, I encourage you to make Astagfirullah a part of your daily life. Don't just say it, feel it, live it, and watch how your life begins to change. It's more than just a phrase. It's a tool for transformation, a promise of forgiveness, and a journey to inner peace. Have you experienced the power of Astagfirullah in your own life? I'd love to hear your story. Share your experience in the comments below, and let's inspire one another to continue this journey of spiritual growth. And if you want to dive deeper into personal growth and spiritual healing, make sure to watch our next video. Thank you for being here, and may Allah bless you on your journey of transformation.